For this video, I'll be reviewing a very viral skincare product. Viral because it's affordable and it's vitamin C. You know how everybody wants to apply vitamin C. Now, to this video, we're going to be reviewing this particular one, and we'll be finding out if this worth it or not. I'll be talking about everything that involves this product in today's video, so keep watching.
Do you want to know?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mona. So subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Today's video, we're talking about very controversial, maybe not controversial, but viral skincare product. And this is the JUMISO All Day Vitamin C Balancing. Oh, let me start again. Rewind. Put that rewind. Product. I really did not know. A lot of Nigerians have this product. A lot. It is not recent. It has been in the market for a while, maybe a year or two or more. I used to have my vitamin C combined with other ingredients. I wanted to get a vitamin C on its own. Make sure I use the product for at least 2 months before I come here and give a review on it. That's one thing you should know, which is why you should hit that subscribe button, because I'm not capping with my reviews. So I'm not giving a biased review. I'm giving it as it hot. If it's good, I'm gonna tell you. If it's bad, I'm gonna tell you, right? First impression. First impression for me is I love the packaging. I don't know, for me it's the packaging. I love the packaging. It gives a very orangey, of course, vitamin C looks orange. Oh, no. The vitamin C that we know, I don't actually know the actual color of vitamin C. So I do not cast myself. The vitamin C that I know that we take like orange. So I think they went big on that. I love the orange, but let me give you guys a close look. And this is the back here. It looks like this is the pump, and this is the consistency. Yeah, back to me. Focus on me. So it promises hydration, it promises to remove inflammation, and it promises to soothe the skin. We all know that vitamin C helps to protect the skin from photo age, hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, sagging, and dryness on the skin, and also help on even skin tones. Also, we know vitamin C also brightens the skin, and it's written here brightening, so you can for sure expect brightening from this product. That's what it says. Package detail, it's glass. It comes in a glass bottle, and yes, it comes in a glass bottle. Here, what's written on it is facial serum, vitamin 3 extract 56.14%, and niacinamide 20,000 PMP. 20,000 PMP actually means 2% of niacinamide, which is okay. Let's talk about the fragrance, right? How does it smell? It has this fruity smell. It smells like orange. Let me try again. It has this very thin fragrance, but it's there. Things are things that this face serum, because this is a face serum, this is what this. Also insert options of where you can buy this. The color, this is the color it comes in. It comes in a clear white color. Now for the consistency, we're going to do a test as we always do. I'm going to apply this here, and you all can see the texture. See, it almost feels like water. I love water-based skincare because I want them to just dry into my skin without leaving any form of texture or feeling. And this one passed the check. It passed the vibe. That was the word, vibe. It passed the vibe check. So this one passed the vibe check when it comes to the texture. Love that it's very watery, it dries into the skin very fast. See now, it's dried up. You can see. It dries up, it dries into the skin fast. How I use this is I just apply it on my face after going in my toner. So after my toner, I do this. I like to use my antioxidant in the morning. And of course, we know niacinamide is an antioxidant. We know vitamin C is an antioxidant. So this tends to protect your skin. So I go for protective skincare product in the morning and go for healing skincare products. This helps with healing your skin from skin barriers or from sunburn or any kind of damage. It does help with it. And this also has the advantage of brightening your skin, which controlling inflammation. So I use this in the mornings, just mornings, and that's because I have a night routine that requires separate products. But before I added those night-time products, I use this morning and night. So if you want to infuse this in your routine and you have nothing to use at night, you can use them in the morning. Use it in the morning after your toner. If you don't have a toner, then use this immediately after you wash your face. And the same thing at night. If you're using a retinol, then avoid using vitamin C. If you're using a retinol, avoid using vitamin C because vitamin C and retinols are not like, they don't work hand in hand. Do not use this with AHA, do not use this with BHA. I would say use this in the morning, and other products that you can combine with this, which I have listed, you can use those at night. Cleans, I can prove right or wrong. So when it comes to brightening, I prove it right. It does brighten your skin in a light way. You would see improvement. You will see improvement for sure, but it doesn't give like a huge high. You have to combine it with other ingredients. If you're trying to brighten your skin, you definitely have to mix this up with other ingredients to make it brighten your skin. I don't mean bleaching your skin. I mean brightening, which is a tone or two tone compared to your present state. If you want to tone up a bit, you can use this. It just brings out your complexion. What it does is actually just bring out your complexion, tones out your skin. If you have hyperpigmentation, it works for it as well. But do not expect this to bleach you or to make you look like half cast. No. What I like about it is number one, it dries into my skin fast. Number two, it is very, 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 very lightweight. Number three, I like the pump. I like the fact that it's sealed. I love the packaging, it's sealed. I love the fact that I combine not just one, but two antioxidants. And I like it. What I don't like about it is number one, it's a glass bottle. It can break. I have kids and they can break this thing in seconds. That's one thing I don't like about it. In fact, that's like one of the major things I don't like about it is the fact that it is in a bottle package. I think that's the only thing so far that I do not like about it. But otherwise, I really love the product. It has been working for my skin. Around the time I gave birth was when I bought it because I wanted it to help with my hyperpigmentation. And it doesn't take a day for hyperpigmentation to clear up. So far I'm seeing good results. And this is part of the main things I added to my routine for, treating hyperpigmentation. So it does work. I would rate it 7 over 10. Now, would I recommend this to you? Yes, I recommend it. Why? Because it worked for me. Does it work for all skin type? Yes, it does work for all skin type. I believe so. I haven't had any reaction, so I can't speak for sensitive skins because even if you have sensitive skin, there's a threshold for how sensitive your skin can be. So you can do a patch test if you have a friend that owns it, or you have a store that you can walk into and do a patch test before you buy. Then you should do a patch test. If you have a sensitive skin, I'll advise you do a patch test first before you buy it. But if you have a normal dry combination, it's good. You can use this product. Recommendations for vitamin serum. I don't have any recommendation right now because this is like the first major vitamin C serum I'm using. The other ones always comes as a substitute. It's not really the main ingredient, but this is the first product I'm using for vitamin C that carries vitamin C higher than every other, product. So I don't have recommendations. I'll do my research and insert if I have anyone, but for now, no. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional dermatologist or a board certified esthetician or esthetician. I just show you what it looks like if you buy it. So yeah, so we're going to do a test. I'm going to apply this product on my face so you all can see what it looks like. Not show you guys what you're working with. Okay, so we're gonna apply this. It doesn't leave any oily feeling, any oily finish, nothing. It's just like water. And let's try it on a dry skin. I didn't apply anything on my face, so trying it out. So trying it out. So this is it on my face. This is what it looks like. Does it leave a glow? I'm waiting for you to try it so we can do like a check on if it leaves any grease. We'll check if it leaves any grease or oil or anything like that. I have a dry skin. So yeah. I think that's dried in. So let's see what it looks like. There's just something. There's just this tiny glow. No oil, so even if there is, I don't feel it. It's a good thing, right? So we've done a real life test. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you enjoyed watching this video, ensure to hit the subscribe button. Even if you did not enjoy watching it, hit the subscribe button, please. For you, if you have any video requests on any product you want me to review, let me know in the comments. If I get my hands on that product, I'll definitely leave a review for you guys here. Okay, so let me know in the comments if there's any product you want me to review, any skincare product you want me to review. Let me know in the comments. Scream it down in the comment section. So that'll be all. Ensure to give this video a thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to my channel. I'm pleading with you. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. This would help push out my content to more people, to more audience, and it would help my engagement as well. So please hit the subscribe button and like this video. If you don't know your skin type, watch this video up here. That will direct you and show you on how to check your skin type by yourself. See you guys in my next video. For now, mwah. 그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요.